Good morning, students. Let's start exercise 42, multiplication of money by a whole number. First question, find each of the following product. Question number 1, rupees 15.85 multiplied by 8. When we multiply amount of money, we remove this decimal. When we multiply amount of money, we remove this decimal. That's why we write here 1585 multiplied by 8. Okay. 8 5 ja 40, 4 carry, 8 8 ja 64 plus 4, 68. Right here 8, 6 carry, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 6, 46, 6 here and 4 carry, 8 1 ja 8, 8 plus 4 12. Here our answer is 12,680. When we write in rupees, we put decimal point second digit from the left side. Here answer is 126.80. It means rupees 126.80. Next question, question number 5. Rupees 263.58 multiplied by 32. First of all, given amount of money in figure, we write without decimal. Okay, we write without decimal. We remove this decimal and multiply with 32. Okay, yes, here 2 8 ja 16, 6 here, 1 carry, 2 5 ja 10, 10 plus 1 11, right here 1, 1 carry, 2 3 ja 6, 6 plus 1 7, 2 6 ja 12, 12, right here 2, 1 carry, 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5. Okay, right here 5. Now here cross, right, you write 0. Okay, next 3 8 ja 24, right here 4 and 2 carry, 3 5 ja 15, 15 plus 2 17, right here 7, 1 carry, 3 3 ja 9, 9 plus 1 10, right here 0, and 3 6 ja 18, 18 plus 1 19, right here 9, 1 carry, 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 1 7. Now we add these numbers. 6 as it is, 1 plus 4 5, 7 plus 7 14, 14, 1 carry, 1 plus 2 3, 5 plus 9 14, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8. Here answer is 8,000 rupees 8,434.56. Now we solve next question, question number 8. A tennis racket costs rupees 532.68. Find the cost of 8 such rackets. Here solution. We solve cost of tennis racket. Cost of tennis racket 532.68, यानी rupees 532.68. Cost of such 8 rackets 532.68 multiplied by 8. When we multiply amount of money, we remove decimal. And when we then we multiply 8 8 ja 64, right here 4, 6 carry. 8 6 are 48 plus 6, 54. Right here 4. 5 carry. 8 2 are 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 1 here 2 carry. 8 3 are 24. 24 plus 2, 26. Right here 2. So right here 6. 2 carry. 8 5 are 40 plus 2, 42. Here rupees 4261.44. Cost of such 8 rackets is rupees 4261.44 rupees. Now let's start next question. Question number 12. Poonam's monthly salary is rupees 16,825.50. What is her annual income? What is her annual income? What is the meaning of annual? Annual means 12. Annual means 12. Here's solution. Poonam monthly salary is 16,825.50 rupees. And Poonam's annual income, it means we multiply with 12. We multiply with 12. When we multiply given amount, we remove decimal. We remove decimal and we multiply these number. 2 multiplied by 0, here 0. 2 5s are 10, here 0. 1 carry. One more time 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. 1 here 1 carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 8s are 16. Right here 6. 1 carry. 2 6s are 12 plus 1 13. 13. 3 here 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Okay. When we multiply with 1, write digit as it is. When we multiply with 1, digit write as it is. Here 0, 5, 5, 2, 8, 6 and 1. Okay. Now we add this number 0. Here also 0. 1 plus 5, 6. 5 plus 5, 10. Right here 0, 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9. Here write 9. And 3 plus 8, 11. Right here 1 and 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 6, 10. Right here 0 and 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Now we put decimal after second digit from the right side. Okay. Decimal point with the right side after 2 digit. Okay. Here rupees 2,09,906 rupees her annual income. Let's start exercise 43. Divide. Question A. Rupees 52.50 by 6. Here we divide. Okay. Solution 52.50 divided by 6. When we divide amount of money, we remove decimal. Okay. We remove decimal. Here 5,250. When we divide, you know we start with left side. We start with left side. Now 6 greater than 5. That's why we take both digit. We take both digit here 52. When we divide 52 divided by 6, we tell table of 6 8 times. 6 8 ja 48. Here 6 8 ja 48. When we subtract 52 minus 48, we get 4. Here we get 4. Now 100 place digit we put here. Okay, we write here. Now here 45. What digit here? 45. Now we divide it by 6. 6 7 ja 42. We know that 6 7 ja 42. Here 5 subtracted by 2, remaining 3, and 4 subtracted by 4, here is 0. Now write 10 ones place 0 right here. We get 30. 6 5 ja 30. 6 5 ja 30. When we subtract 30 by 30, we get 0. That's why our answer is 875. You know, when we convert in amount, we put decimal after 2 digit with right side. Okay, we put decimal, okay, after 2. So then rupees 8.75. Next question, question number 5. 5 children went to a picnic. The total expenditure incurred was rupees 614. How much is the share of each? It means 5 students ने कितना expend किया? 614. Okay. And how much the share of each? Every student पे कितना spend हुआ? Okay. Here solution. Total expenditure 614 rupees. Okay. Sharing of each, we divided with 5. We divided by 5. When we divide, here we divide 5 less than 6. So 5 1 ja 5. When we subtract both digits, we get 1. Okay. Now we take 1 of 1000 place. Okay. Here 11. 5 2 ja 10. When we subtract both digits, we get 1. Okay. We put here 4. Here 14. 5 2 ja 10. 5 2 ja 10. When we subtract 14, subtracted by 10, we get 4. Here 0, put it here. Okay. 5 8 ja 40. Okay. 5 8 ja 40. No remainder here. And 0. Okay. We put here 0. Now we get 12280. Okay. 12,280. Okay. When we convert in rupees, we put decimal after 2 digit. Okay. Here 122 rupees 80 paise.